We're doing it on the Nexus. I'm back with another sub duel. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the Yugioh Pro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Alright, Jack has a mic now. That's awesome. Alright, pick your deck.
Okay. I picked one.
Okay. Dude! Okay. Alright. That's cool. Alright. In phase 1, Zombie World. Normal summon Glow Up Bloom.
Alright.
Link. Karibo. Glow Up Bloom.
Nice.
And that's gonna get... Since I have Zombie World, I get Special Summon instead of add.
Okay.
I can Special Summon instead of adding. Doom King. Then I'll link it off for Vampire Sucker, like Karibo and Doom King.
Vampire Sucker?
Yeah. Link Karibo was a Cyberse, but Zombie World turned it into
A zombie.
That's right. Fernando.
Okay.
Standby Fizz. If there's a field card, I can special summon Doom King. And then Vampire Sucker. If a monster is special summoned from the grave, I get to draw a card. If a zombie monster. And yep.
Okay. It's my turn.
That's right.
Okay. Summon Baby Saurus. Sorry if I say that name wrong, because I don't want it to be long.
Babysaurus.
Maybe Saurus.
Okay.
Yeah. That one. Activate. Dark Ruler no more.
Okay. Oh.
You get it all? Activate Foolish Burial.
Since you're gonna send one monster from the deck to the graveyard, I can activate Ash Blossom.
Okay. Well, I can't do anything, so I'm ending my phase.
End phase, I will Super Poly. I'll discard Zombie World or Nether Soul Dragon. 2 zombies, so Babysaurus is now a zombie, and Doom King. Yugioh Shoken. Standby phase. Doom King.
Okay.
Vampire Sucker.
Another Vampire Sucker. Okay.
Oh, look at this. Foolish Burial. I'll send Glow Up Bloom. Glow Up Bloom hits the grave. You banish it. I'll just link it with Doom King and banish your Babysaurus. To get.
Wait, why is
to special summon another Doom King.
Oh.
And then I will activate Eldritch to send Rivalry of Warlords to send your evenly matched. Ooh. Should have just kept that in your hand.
I know.
Oh no, it's okay. Eldritch, send Zombie World to get him back to my hand. Then I could special summon a zombie monster, which is him. Gains 1,000, cannot be destroyed by your card effects till end of your turn.
That's an OTK deck.
Battle. Vampire Sucker, direct attack. Doom King, direct attack. Nether Soul, direct attack. Eldritch, the Golden Lord. Finish him.
Well, that was a good game. GG.
Yep. I am not gonna side anything.
Summon my soul leader Oviraptor. Activate.
You're gonna use effect.
Ash Blossom negated.
Yep.
1 and phase.
First things first, if you got it, Pot of Extravagance, banishing 6. So I could draw 2 cards.
Yeah, 2 cards, okay.
Okay. Let's just some of that. Huh, I can't get him back though. I would not be able to get him back.
Well, that's a bummer.
Wait a minute, if I do that, still in the grave, I would have no protection. I would have no protection.
By the way, I'm texting my friend. So
Golden Lord, I will send. Rivalry of Warlords. Target and send. Normal summon Mizuki. Wait a minute, if I do that. Just gonna battle. Mizuki, direct attack. Ternendo.
to your
Kaiju.
build. The attack is 24,000.
Dark Ruler.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I can't do anything since Kaiju needs a tribute.
You should put the other Kaiju, Gamma Seal. That's a lower attack.
I don't have that, so
You should do the Gamma Seal Kaiju's turtle as a lower. Normal summon Solitaire.
okay.
Activate Solitaire. I'm just gonna banish himself. Special summon Unizombie. Unizombie's second effect increase by 1 level.
Okay.
To send Necroworld Banshee.
So it's a level 4.
I'll banish Necroworld Banshee so I can get Zombie World into play. Man, that's already a 24 attack though. Attack.
Why is my
Let's just go for it. I want to draw a card here. Vampire Sucker, Unizombie, and Kaiju.
sorry if you can
Mizuki banish, special summon. Is that once per turn? Yeah, it's a once per turn. Each effect once per turn. Special summon from the grave, Eldritch. And attack. It's a zombie with special summon. I gotta draw a card. Upstart Goblin. Okay. Vampire Sucker, I'll special summon your soul. Your Oviraptor. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I'll ash it. Now I have a reason to use this. Okay. Okay. Once per turn. Alright, okay. Dynamiscus. Target your Oviraptor, and I'll send Glow Up Bloom. Glow Up Bloom. Doom King. Special. Battle. Vampire. Attack Doom King. Attack Eldritch. Attack.
Yugioh.
Let's see. I want to do this guy. Nah, I'm okay. Turnendo.
Wait.
Fossil Dig.
To search.
Okay. Baby Ceratosaurus.
And my
Really? Normal Mizuki. What does this guy say? One, two, three. Oh, what? Jeez, I can't do that. 2 plus 2 zombie monsters right there. Avenged Savior. Mizuki, Banish, Special. And the Grave, Vampire Sucker's effect, and then Doom King's effect. I'll banish your baby Ceratosaurus.
Okay.
Battle. Let's game already. Doom King.
Alright, GG.
Alright, thank you for the duel, Jack.
Okay, no
And
problem.
sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.